Hi, we've just installed OpenOffice on this Herbstluft WM, and it doesn't really matter if you're on this one or on the other 14 desktops, or if you're on ArcoLinux. It's just Linux, and it's just ArcoLinux. In the case of yay here, oops, that's capital letters, yay, OpenOffice. In previous video we've installed this guy, but this guy is not up to date, so we explained in the video how to make it up to date. So we have now a version 4.1.7, and that's better, and it's working. Now it's installed. Question is, how do I start it? Well, normally in XFC you have something like this. You have a menu and you go to Office and then you start it, right? So assuming you don't have that, you go to maybe Super Shift D in this case, in i3 and others as well. You just go to there and say Open Office. So you need to know the name. If you don't know the name, you're, well, in a lot of trouble. The same goes for Rofi, Open Office, there it is, and the other one, Super F12, same thing, just a bit smaller, and you launch the thing. So it's all good. You start this application, you get this overview, say, okay, what do you want to do? Text, spreadsheet, a presentation, formula, database, drawing. And I've just made already a video about this one. Now, if you install ArcoLinux B out of the box, then you have this, you do not have this bright look. I already made a document here. You see a doc version, not a docx. Not sure if it can be done with a docx, so maybe somebody can tell me if that's available when we install something. But it's out of the box, ready to save as doc, as ODT as well, of course, its own extension. So this is not the way it looks normally. So let's explain how we do that then. Super Shift D, Alex appearance. I quickly changed the appearance from Arc Dark to the light version, the Arc version, which means that it's going to be all a little bit darker at this point in time. So that's already dark. And if we really launch, then you'll see that everything has changed a little bit. You see? Now the elements here, up here, everything has changed, but well, prior to the video I've been working with some colors, and that's what you see here. So you either like it or don't like it, but that's the thing with Linux always. You go to the options, you go to appearance, and I was playing around with these colors. So the font color, I've made it a little bit darker, this one. So let's open it again. So that's this color. I was playing with the document background and with the application background. So this one, let's make it grayer, darker. So this one is darker, a little bit too dark to my taste, but hey, you get the drift. So make it your own, to your own liking. So I really don't like this thing, OpenOffice in the dark version or the super dark version. So this is better for me to write. And let's fix that again. So options. So this one is too dark, way too dark. And that's okay. So there you go, start typing, and all the rest, well, I guess the rest is what you're used to on Word, I suppose. All these changes you can make, and all the general things, and styles will be in there somewhere as well. Default, heading 1, etc., heading 2. So yeah, the rest is really up to you guys. Just an overview of what's possible on, well, Linux. Discord is okay. And maybe as a last thing, let's just quickly open a presentation or something, spreadsheet presentation. Empty from template, let's see, what's that? Lots of presentations, recommended strategy, whatever, and then black and white. Okay, so we do have some, that's one I liked. What was it, this one? I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Okay, go. Next, create. And we get something similar than PowerPoint, right? And again, present it probably with this slideshow. F5 works as well, with even a timer that we have now here. So next, 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 and you're done. Presentation is done. Last thing you ask, are there any questions? And that's it. So here you go, OpenOffice, a quick overview of what it's looking like, and you can install it with the new package build that we've fixed. So check out the video for that and enjoy it.